Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to solve a problem which came in the year 2018 in JAM Biotechnology paper. Here the question is, an ultrasound signal of frequency 50 kHz is sent vertically down into a medium. The signal gets reflected from a depth of 25 mm and returns to source 0.00005 seconds after it is emitted. The wavelength of the ultrasonic signal in that medium is what you need to find. Okay, and that's in centimeter. Okay, so here the depth of the medium is 25 mm. So if it is the medium, this is the medium, then the depth of the medium, that is this distance, is 25 mm. Okay, now suppose from here an ultrasonic signal is emitted. Okay, so it goes straight down from here, okay, into the medium, and after a certain time it reflects back. Okay, it reflects back. Okay, that is here, it reflects back. Okay, so the total distance traveled by the signal is, if this is d, if d equal 25 mm, then the total distance traveled is 2d. Okay, the total distance traveled is equal to d, that is 2 times 25 mm, that is 50 mm, that is 5 centimeter. Okay, and it starting from here, that is starting from this point, it returns back to this point. Okay, it takes total time, okay, returns to source 0.00005 seconds after it is emitted. Okay, that means it goes down and comes back after 0.00005 seconds. Okay, so total time taken is equal twice t. If once it goes down is t, then total time taken is twice t, that is 0.00005 seconds. Okay, and that is equal 5 times 10 to the power minus 5 seconds. Okay, now we need to find the wavelength of the signal. Okay, now to find the wavelength, we can find the velocity in the medium, velocity of the signal in the medium. Now how to find the velocity? We know velocity v equal total distance traveled by total time taken, right? That is 2d by 2t. Okay, twice d by twice t, that is 5 centimeter, divided by 5 times 10 to the power minus 5 seconds. Okay, that means here 5 and 5 cancels out and we are left with 10 to the power 5 centimeter per second. Okay, So the velocity of the signal in that medium, is 10 to the power 5 centimeter per second. Now how to find the wavelength? See, here the frequency is given as 50 kilohertz. Okay, so given is nu equal 50 kilohertz. Okay, and we know that velocity is equal nu times lambda, right? That is velocity equal frequency times wavelength. Okay, so from here we get lambda, that is the wavelength, equal V by nu. Okay, that is velocity divided by frequency. So here velocity we have found as 10 to the power 5 centimeter per second. Okay, divided by nu, that is 50 kilohertz. 50 kilohertz. That means 50 times 10 to the power 3 hertz. That is second inverse. Okay, and we get 10 square, that is 100 divided by 50. That means 2 centimeter. Okay, so here our answer is 2 centimeter. So the wavelength of the ultrasound signal in the medium is 2 centimeter. Okay, so we have successfully solved the problem. If you have any doubt regarding this solution, please let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, please click on the like button, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Ta-da!